Welcome to Tokyo, a city where the future meets tradition. Neon lights shine even in daylight. The heart of the metropolis, Shibuya, the world's most famous crossing. Thousands of people, one rhythm. Tokyo never sleeps. Every step feels like a movie scene. Skyscrapers touch the clouds. Technology is everywhere. But turn a corner and enter another world. Temple silence and incense in the air. The ancient spirit of Japan. Sensoji, the heart of Asakusa. Red lanterns and old streets. Time slows down here. Then back to city energy. Shinjuku, lights of the future. Breathtaking panoramas. Tokyo Tower in the sunset. The city turns golden. Akihabara, anime and tech world. Bright stores and game arcades. Street food is real art. Sushi, ramen, takoyaki. Every taste is a discovery. Parks bloom with sakura in spring. Pink clouds over the city. Trains move with perfect timing. Tokyo is a city of speed and perfect harmony. Past and future live together. Streets filled with light. And they are full of dreams. Can you feel this rhythm? It captures you instantly and never lets go. Tokyo is more than a city. It's an emotion you want to relive. Did you fall in love with Tokyo too? Subscribe for more journeys.